is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. Well, today I've got something from Zen Pop. Use the coupon code Ramen Raider at www.zenpop.jp and get a discount. Wow! So what do I have? Cup Star Potato Butter Shio 44th anniversary, and it's got pictures of these chicks on it, and they're from a group called, I don't remember what it's called. I know this Akabono 48. No, that's like a sumo wrestler guy. But anyways, yeah, it's a Japanese idol group. So it's like 48 girls, and they all have like trading cards and crap. I don't know. But anyways, here's what it looks like before it's cooked. 330 milliliters, so up to the line. And then it chills out for 3 minutes. Yeah. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, go. So yeah. Pretty good day here. Not a sunny day. Although it was. But not currently. And I'm okay with that because I'm kind of like inside today. So at least until my lady gets home. And then we're going to go to the stove and go look at a new TV set, man. Yeah. They have a killer sale on TV sets at Costco. Like big freaking huge 4K 55-inch Samsungs at Costco for like $350. That's pretty good. So, yeah. I don't know that we have anything that's in 4K to watch, but we don't even have a DVD player. We got Netflix. I don't know if you have to pay extra to get 4K. That's how unhip I am. But, yeah. And what else is going on today? Not a whole lot. I left the cabinet door open. I'm gonna leave it. I just don't have time to care today. Did my apartment laps. I'm really looking forward a couple weeks to at least be able to not have to do that every day of the week. So yeah. Be able to get back out and walk the mean streets of Kenmore, Bothell, and Lake Forest Park. Well, at least Kenmore. And come on, Noodles. But yeah, just like walking back and forth and back and forth. It gets old, but I mean, it does the trick. It does what it's supposed to. So I'm trying to think of something interesting to talk about, but I'm finding very little. Oh, the big primary candidate debates are starting tonight for the Democrats. The feist one. I live in Washington. We have Jay Inslee, our governor, is running for president on only one issue, and that's climate change. So I don't know, the best he could get out of it is a Democratic to get elected and he ends up in charge of the EPA, maybe. That would make sense. But he doesn't have a snowball's chance in North America. Yeah, global warming, snowball's chance. And we're done. Good. Fork. Wow, those potatoes really got all potatoey. Can you see that? I hope you can. Yeah, you can see all that. That looks really good, actually. I don't know, though. I gotta say, potatoes and noodles, unless they're in kind of like a curry or something, or even then. Carbs on carbs is just something that doesn't work very well for me. Just not into it. But we shall see. It's potato butter Shio. Yeah. Very buttery. Very. Did I say very buttery? I should have just said very, very buttery. There's a little bit of something there. And let's try one of these potatoes. Best potatoes out of a cup of instant noodles I've ever had. Usually they just don't work. Usually they like don't hydrate enough and they're kind of chewy. That tasted like formed mashed potato, which is rad. We'll go with this one. And saw my buddy Hunter the other day put down like a whole bottle of hot sauce, and like I was patting the bottom of the cup, he was just like guzzling it down on a Facebook video. It's very comforty food here. And what's the most comfortable thing in the world? The incredible edible egg. So let's egg it up. Egg it on. Oh, God. Ah. Oh, is this another one of those? I'm gonna have to stop using these jumbos. Look at that, double yolk. It's funny, you don't see a lot of photos where people actually use double yolk eggs, but I mean, how do you know until you crack it, right? Yeah. Anyway. A little bit of mung bean. A little bit of springiness. And how about some sesame seeds? Good enough for me. Rotato with the potato. Fried garlic. Yeah. Cool. That's all I got for this one. I hope you enjoyed it. Please like, subscribe, all that stuff. That always makes things fun. Like the page if you're on Facebook. Subscribe to the channel if you're on YouTube. Like the video and click that notification bell because it behooves you. Have a good one. Bye.